Hey Alex, come here really quick.
You need to pick him up. Why?
Move, Alex.
Grab this.
Alright, go.
Grab this.
Go.
Get him in the stomach.
Make sure it's around the chair.
This gun tape isn't going to do anything.
Make sure it's around the chair.
I have tape.
Alright, where's the good tape?
It's over there. There's like 1,000 pieces of it. Wait.
No, dude.
Is that good?
Get him in there.
No, keep going.
Or not.
Wait, I need a light. I'm trying to get tape.
I don't think it'll ever get out.
Which
It's dropping tape.
Jay, where's your bike
It's a mask. Garage door open?
Oh yeah.
No. Go into the garage.
From where?
And you know where the door is next to the big garage door?
It's not getting out of that.
No, but it's
Every time we say that, you
to the left of that on the
Well,
shelf.
yeah, but
It's
I'm
off.
so surprised.
Okay.
I can't even touch it.
The door leading to the garage is locked.
Cut it with another tape thing.
Unlock it.
No, just use that thing.
Oh,
After he gets his hands off, he'll
out,
find it.
and he's squeezing it to his chest.
Good.
Can I have that, please? No.
He's got your...
Here, give me this. Give me it. Give me
He's
it.
like leaning over.
Give me that.
Give me one of these. Here.
there, got it.
There.
Oh wait, no I didn't.
No, dude, he's in there right
Oh.
now.
That's
He's
what I was
okay.
trying to do. What the fuck did you do to it?
I'm trying to figure it.
I just like reach it. Give me that.
Here, give me. Dude, I just finished moving. I know.
No,
about
if he
tech.
falls over, let him.
Keep tickling him. It's gonna make him go crazy faster.
Oh.
Oh. Keep going.
You're doing it.
Do you want me to go get the camera?
If he's never seen me before, do you think he'll hurt me?
No.
Oh.
Go get the camera.
Yeah, good idea.
Alright. No, he's good. He's good. He's good. Yeah, get all the tools. If he breaks my chair, I'm gonna be so sad.
Oh, he's going now. He's committed to this.
Here, take these. Put these somewhere. So he has all these sharp things around him. He'll do what he
Yeah, get rid of him.
Get rid of those sharp things.
Anything that has like anything sharp on it.